my B3, this is my B2, this is my B1, this is my B0. Okay. So these are nothing but what? The inputs which you are passing for that IC 7483. So you can see here, this is my A3, A2, A1, A0. Yes, this is nothing but my first number. My first number. Then what is the B? B3 again, it is like here is the B3, then B2, then B1, and then B0. So I am passing here the input in the form of binary. The input value or the decimal value is in the form of the binary. Okay, I am passing that two numbers through the IC number 1. Through that IC number 1. Then what is it? S1. You can see here. Also, there are some other numbers into here in this pin configuration. That is what? This is my S1. This is my S3, S0, and where is S2? This is my sum. This is my sum. So you can see if I am adding these two numbers, you can do the addition. 0, 0 is 0, 0, 1 is 1, no carry is generated. 1 plus 0 is again 1, carry is 0, and 0, 0 is 0. So this is nothing but my sum. That is my variable S. That is my variable S. Yes. And I can give the number again to this as my S3. If that color is not visible to you. Okay. S3. This is my S2. This is my S1 and S0. This is nothing but what? The sum, addition of two decimal numbers. So here, this is the variables. These are for getting the sum in the form of bits. Now, again, the sum variables, or we can say pin number 14, 13, these are the remaining. Now, what is it? C out is nothing but if the carry is generated, and C in means what? If you are passing some carry, so this is my C in and this is my C out. Okay, so here in this case, we are not passing any of that C in because carry is generated, C out is coming, no any carry insertion is performed. So that's why you have to connect this C in to the ground. Okay, if you are showing this sign, okay, it will indicate that this is the ground connection. Okay, all of you understood this pin configuration? Reply please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will see the diagram. Now this is your actual diagram. So here you can see this is my A3, A2, A1, A0. Okay, here is my B3, B2, B1 and B0. In the red colored, these are nothing but my pin numbers. These are nothing but my pin numbers. You can see for B0, the pin number is 11. So I have just given the pin number by observing this. You can see the 11 is the B0 by observing this pin configuration. Okay, so I have given here just the numbers. So this is your one input value. Suppose this is my 4 and this is my 2. So I am passing here 4 is nothing but 0, 1, 0, 0 and 2 is nothing but 0, 0, 1, 0. After doing the addition of these two numbers, you are getting the sum. What is it? 4 plus 2 is 6. So you are getting 0, 1, 1, 0 here in this diagram. 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is the variable S3, S2, S1 and S0. Here you are getting the sum. So we have, in the last lecture, we have seen the rules for BCD addition. Now you tell me, is that sum is greater than the 9?
No.
No. So is it required to add the binary number of the 6 into that?
No.
No, because when the sum is greater than the 9, in that case we are adding the binary number of 6. Very good. So here no need to add the binary number of the 6 again into that sum. So here what happens? This again, you can see this diagram very carefully. This is very, very important. So we are passing the input values here in the first BCD adder, you are getting the sum. But if the sum is greater than 9 here, then that time we are using again this second BCD adder. So what happens here? It will check is that sum is greater than the 9 through this combinational circuit, and this is again given as the input to the next BCD adder. So this will be taking the next number as it is 0, 1, 1, 0. This is taking whatever the sum you got here, the same sum is again connected as an input to the next IC, isn't it? Now you can see here in this example, what is the value of S3 and S2 here? Girls, what is the value of S3 and S2? It's 0 and 1. You know the equation, y is equal to S3, S2 plus S3, S1. Yes. So here is what? S3 is nothing but your 0. So 0 into S2 is 1. 0 into 1 क्या आता है? It's a AND gate. Tell me the answer. 0 into 1. You are passing here input 0. Very good. It's 0. You are getting the output here. Now for the next. Again S3 is 0. And what is the value of S1 here? Is 1. So for 0, 1, again you are getting the output is 0. Now if you are passing 0, 0 input to this OR gate, which output you are getting here?
0.
Very good, it's 0. And this 0 is again input to this OR gate, one more extra OR gate we are using. And whatever the carry is generated, see here, again C out is there. C out is what? If the carry is generated, and C in means what? We are passing some input carry to that adder. So here we are not passing, so Cin is always connected to the ground. You can see here Cin, value of Cin is the 0. So we are connecting it to the ground. Then this is what C out. So we have already done the addition of these two numbers. It's 0, 0, 1, 0 plus. Is it visible to you, girls? Screen is visible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, very good. Because this is very, very important. See, is the any carry generated from this 0, 0, 0? Is the any carry generated from the MSB here? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No. Is yes. No any carry generated here. So which C out means what? It's 0. No carry generated. The value is not a 1. No carry generated. So C out becomes 0. So if you are passing again 0, 0, then what will be the output you are getting here?
Okay.
In the it's a 0. Very good. And this 0 is again nothing but the output carry. We are connecting it to the output carry. So here the carry is again 0, because this is what directly we are connecting. So here you are getting the output is 0. Now you can see this is my y dash. Yes, this y dash is again connected here in the input values of B1, B2 and B0. So I am getting the output here is the 0. So this my B2 and B1, these are also 0, 0. Yes. And here B0 and B3, these are always, it is connected to the ground again. This is my ground connection. So the value of B3 and B0 is again 0, 0. So if you are adding all these 0, zeros with this output, with this sum, so this is what a sum which you are getting from the first IC. This is again a input to the second adder. Yes. So 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 1, 1, 0. Answer क्या मिलेगा? Tell me the answer.
0, 1, 1, 0.
1, 1, 0.
Correct. So this sum you are getting here. So this is your final output. This is your final output, and which is nothing but a valid sum. Which is nothing but a valid sum. And we have already learned that if the sum is less than the 9, then no need to add a binary number of 6. तो मैंने यहाँ पे ये sum मुझे valid मिली है. This sum is my less than the 9. So I have not added binary number of 6. This will work. See, if you see this part, this is nothing but your binary number of 6. If suppose if the carry is generated from this, then the value for B2 and B1 it will become 1 1. Suppose I am also taking the example of that so that you will get the clear idea. But just here in this case you can suppose if the carry from the y dash it is 1. So what the input values you are getting here for B2 and B1 is the 1 1, and B3 and B2 is again connected to the ground. So the whole value becomes 0 1 1 0. And here if your sum is greater than the 9, that time what you are doing, then we are adding binary number of 6, and here then you will get the correct BCD number. But here in this case no need to add this one because y dash is the 0. So this whole variable, the second digits, or we can say the second number in the second IC, it will become whole zeros. So this is my correct sum I am getting here. Okay, this is just I have tell you one case. I have told you the one case. If the sum is less than the 9, then what happens? Okay, now let's take one more example. Okay, let's take the one more example. Whatever I have taught you right now, is it understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
okay. What about remaining?
Yes,
At the
ma'am.
oral time, I am taking your mock also. That time I am asking all these questions. So you should know how it works. Okay. Now, see. Now I am taking one more example with some other number. Now you can see if you have the number, you tell me any of the number. You give me the input, then we will see. Sum should be greater than the 9. Give me the inputs.
8 and 4.
Okay, fine. 8 plus 4. Very good. Now what is the binary value for 8?
1 0 0 0.
Very good. All of you do with me. Then binary value of 4 is 0 1 0 0. Now you can do the addition. Is it correct addition?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So where you are getting this sum? You are getting this sum here. 1 1 0 0. You are passing this 8 number here, 4 number here. This is the carry generated here after addition.
No.
No. So C out is what? 0. But here in this case, sum is greater than the 9. Yes or no? Then in this case, what you have to do? If sum is greater
Add
than the
6.
9, very good. Add a binary number of 6. ठीक है? तो आप ऐड करो इसमें बाइनरी नंबर ऑफ 6. 6 मैंने ऐड किया इसमें. Do the addition. 0 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 1 0 which carry 1. 1 1 0 which carry 1. So this is my carry. Yes or no, girls? तो अगर नॉर्मली आपने एडिशन किया 8 plus 4, which number you are getting? 12. Yes or no? Yes. So for the 12, what is its BCD? For the 12, what is its binary number? This is binary number, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
But we are studying what? BCD adder. It's a BCD number, binary coded decimal, the long form of BCD, binary coded decimal. So if I want to write the BCD number for this 12, how I can write? Answer me.
0 0 0 1
Very good.
and 0 0 1 0.
Very nice. You have to write the separate binary for 1 and separate binary for 0. So that answer you want, 0 0 1 0, and this is the 1 0 0 0 1. Yes or no? So you can see, is it that 0 0 1 2 sorry 0 0 1 0 is nothing but the binary number of 2? Yes or no? And this is the carry which here is the generated. So this is nothing but your 1. If you are adding multiple zeros here, doesn't have any value. See this 0 0, if I am adding here again one more zeros, it doesn't have any values. You know that. So this is what a 1. So is it a correct number? Is it the correct addition I am getting? If my sum is greater than the 9, I am adding the binary number of 6 or here to get the correct answer. यहाँ पे मुझे correct answer मिला कि नहीं मिला?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, understood everyone. Now we will see with the help of this diagram. This is what the logical thinking, that we are adding these two numbers. If the sum is greater than the 9, in that case, we have to add a binary number of 6. Then you are getting the correct sum. So this is my correct number. If for 8 plus 4, if my answer is 12, then how to represent it with the help of BCD number? You have to write the separate binaries. Yeah, so here I am getting the separate binary. So this number I am getting here, my output, which one? 0 0 1 0. I will show you here with the help of the diagram how I am getting this correct answer in this diagram. Now you can see here, all of you, look at this screen. See, what is the value of S3 here? 1. What is the value of S2? 1. S3, 1. S3, S2, S3, S1. What is that equation? S3, S2 plus S3, S1. So S1 की value है 0. Now you tell me what output you are getting here. Reply girls.
1,
1,
Very good. Or 1 0.
0,
0,
Here
1,
1, 12,
1. Very good. So this one is again input to this, and from this no any carry generated, so 0. So यहाँ पे output क्या मिलेगा y dash में?
1,
1. Very good. And this is 1 is nothing but what? My input to this carry. So here my carry is what? 1. Clear to everyone? Now see, y dash is 1. So because of this y dash, this is again input to this b2 and b1. So here I am getting the variable for b2 and the b1. The value for the b2 and the b1 is 1 1, and b0 and b3 is connected to the ground. So this is my 6. Yes or no? 0 1 1 0. Yes. Now whatever the sum is there, this whole sum is again nothing but an input to this next adder or next IC. So I can write the same number here, 1 1 0 0, because this is again my input. So I'm doing here again the addition of 0 1 1 0 plus 1 1 0 0. तो यहाँ पे हमने already addition की है. Yes, this is what? 0 after addition, it's 0 0 1 0. So this number you will get here 0 0 1 0, and this is the carry, and this carry is nothing but this one, output carry. So if you are together, if you are finding its decimal, this one is nothing but the 1, because here we have connected only the one input in the IC. So its decimal is again 1. If you have more number of the zeros, it is 1. And 0 0 1 0 is what? 2. So this is my correct BCD addition. Carry is 1, and in this here output you are getting 0 0 1 0. And here after doing the addition, okay, whatever the carry is generated, you can see this carry is not to be used. ये दोनों की आपने addition की. I have considered this y from this side. Okay, this is 1, but this is the carry here. After doing the addition of these two numbers, here my carry is generated, and this is the carry generated from my second IC. So here it is mentioned in the diagram itself. If this carry is generated, that is not to be used. So I'm not going to use this carry. Okay. And here my whole number is, it will become 1, 2, which is nothing but my correct BCD, or we can call it as my valid sum. Okay. So we have seen, see, in this also you have a 3 cases. One, if your sum is less than the 9 and carry equal to the 0. So we have just taken the example 4 plus 2, which will comes under the case number 1. Now we have seen for the case number 2, if the sum is greater than the 9 and carry equals to 0. We have added here, we have done the addition where the carry is 0, but sum is greater than the 9. So second case we have learned just now. Now the next case is if the sum is less than equal to 9 and the carry equal to 1. So you can see this example here, whatever I have taught you through this diagram, I have considered these two examples here. You can go through it. Now if you are considering 9 plus 8, so you know that 8 plus 9 is what? The sum you are getting is the 17. So in this case, what happens here? The carry is generated. What is the next case? Your sum should be less than the 9. ये sum है which is less than the 9. But अगर carry generate होती है, if the carry is generated and when the sum is the 9 also, in that case also you have to add binary number of 6. In two cases you have to add the binary number of the 6. If carry is generated, that is the one case, and the second case is if the sum is greater than the 9. Here in this case, my sum is less than the 9, but carry is generated. So that's why here you have to add a binary number of 6 into the sum. So ये आपकी sum है, इसमें आपने 6 को add किया, you are getting the answer is 7. And the same rule you have to follow as we have used y is equal to s3 s2 plus s3 s1. Put the values, find the value of y, and then what is the y dash? Y plus c out through this diagram. So value of the y dash is 1. So this y dash is 1 here. That is nothing but your output carry. And you are getting the sum from this second IC, which is which one? 7. So this is the binary number of the 7. Means whatever the sum you are getting, it's the correct BCD number, or that sum is valid sum. Understood everyone? Any doubt here in this diagram? I have taken one example also. I have shown you it with the help of example. Any doubt here in this example? Reply. All of you understood?
No.
No doubt. Very good. So you can, I want everything in your notebook. Draw this diagram. Then you have to write this case number 1, 2, and 3 also in your notebook. Those who not completed, complete the notebook. I am asking the questions to you. I am taking after 2 units, if completion of the 2 units, we are conducting the unit test 2. On unit number 1 and 2. Okay, fine. No doubt, then we will go